What is the average payout for medical negligence UK? Around £50,000. What is the average payout for an NHS negligence claim? According to the NHS Resolution, the body for resolving disputes, the average NHS negligence payout is estimated around £50,000. How do I prove medical negligence UK? In order to succeed in a medical negligence case, a claimant must prove the following: that the defendant owed the claimant a duty of care, there was a breach of duty, and causation. Is there a time limit on medical negligence claims UK? In the UK, the Limitation Act 1980 sets out the time limits for making different types of legal claim. The time limit to make a claim is known as a limitation period and lasts 3 years. This time limit of 3 years applies in medical and clinical negligence cases. Can I sue my doctor for negligence UK? 8. Can I sue my GP for negligence? You have a legal right to claim compensation from your GP if the treatment they provided was substandard and caused you to suffer an avoidable injury and loss. Do NHS settle out of court? Do the NHS settle out of court? Yes, most medical negligence claims against the NHS are settled by negotiation, meaning you are highly unlikely to have the stress of a court case. If you sue the NHS and must go to trial, a medical attorney will be able to represent you. How successful are medical negligence claims? A relatively low percentage of medical negligence claims are successful, largely as they require strong evidence. What 3 items must be proved to claim negligence? Proving negligence. Most civil lawsuits for injuries allege the wrongdoer was negligent. To win in a negligence lawsuit, the victim must establish 4 elements. The wrongdoer owed a duty to the victim. The wrongdoer breached the duty. The breach caused the injury. The victim suffered damages. What 4 things must be present to prove negligence? The 4 elements of negligence are duty, breach of duty, damages, and causation. What evidence do you need for medical negligence? Image result. Other than your own personal medical records, you will need your own statement and those from any other witnesses as to the facts of the negligence or extent of the injuries caused to your health. What percentage of medical negligence claims are successful UK? What percentage of medical negligence claims are successful? Of the 15,078 claims received by the NHS in 2021-2022, the number of claims that reached a settlement was 13,070. This means that 86.7% of claims against NHS are successful in reaching a settlement. How do I start a medical negligence claim? Steps to making a medical negligence claim. Contact us. The first step to making a medical negligence claim is to get in touch with us. Make a complaint. Gather evidence to prove medical negligence in a case. The case is taken to court. What is classed as medical negligence? Medical negligence is substandard care that's been provided by a medical professional to a patient which has directly caused injury or caused an existing condition to get worse. There's a number of ways that medical negligence can happen, such as misdiagnosis, incorrect treatment, or surgical mistakes. How long does an NHS negligence claim take? As legal specialists, it is our duty to be transparent and upfront about the process behind making a claim. A medical negligence claim can take upwards of 18 months to settle, dependent on the complexity of the case. What do you need to prove to win a case in negligence? Negligence claims must prove 4 things in court: duty, breach,